So she's not as famous as she used to be. Well, that's the name I give her, Rashima Kelly. She's here to tell us about the Smirnoff Party Pitch. She's a junior brand manager at Smirnoff. Good morning, Rashima.
Good morning, Neville. Good morning to everyone.
Long time I don't see you. That's what I'm saying. You're not that famous anymore. But I'm going to make you famous again. I hope you and the family is safe and everything is okay.
Yes, we are good. Thank you so much. And I hope you are safe too.
Yeah, man, I'm good. Thanks for asking. What we're talking about here? What is a party pitch? What are we talking about?
Listen, the Fame Party series, which started in March, we're in this Saturday is week 21. And Smirnoff has been on this journey with the Fame team since day one. So the party pitch is our latest innovative idea that has come out of the Fame Party series. And Smirnoff is really excited to add another layer of excitement to this platform. So what we're saying is to our consumers and our viewers, you have the opportunity to tell us how you want to see the virtual party that is happening every Saturday. You have the chance to plan one of these. Smirnoff and Fame will execute your idea. So we're bringing your idea to life, fully funded by us, but it's your idea. And the plus to that is that you also have the opportunity to win $100,000 for yourself.
Okay, so if I enter and I say, boy, all right, I want a party and I want RGR against RETV, something like that you're talking about.
Absolutely. So it is any idea that you have. You have to use the RGR Gleaner Group talent. So if you have been following the Fame series, then you would see how it is that we diversify the event every week. It's a virtual party. So, it's really exciting, just to get our consumers and our viewers involved. I mean, the Zoomers every week is what gives this platform so much life. So we're saying to you, if you have an idea for this virtual platform, tell us your idea by following the Fame Instagram page. You can follow Smirnoff Jamaica as well to get details. You must be a Jamaican and living in Jamaica and be 18 years and older to enter. You fill out that application form. You can submit the form via a 1-minute video or send us your party pitch in a planned PowerPoint or PDF. Be creative about it, because we want to execute it. We have a lot of persons who love marketing in general, and it's really nice to see something different. So we're saying, you tell us what you want to see in the next virtual party that Fame and Smirnoff Jamaica is doing, and we'll execute it for you. And you also have the opportunity to win money for yourself.
All right, so just before you tell me how you win the money, you kind of get me out because I'm a Jamaican. I live in Jamaica, but I don't reach 18 yet, so I guess I can't enter that's something, yeah. How you get a chance to win the money now? The winner, the pitch that's chosen gets that money?
Absolutely. So we will select the top 6. So applications close on Monday, April 10.
April?
So get online.
April?
Sorry, August.
Oh, you never seen
August. Well, I tell you, these days, sometimes you don't even know the time or the day.
True.
But it's August 10. Monday, August 10 is when applications close. Mm-hmm. We will select the top 6 who will then present to our industry panelists of judges. Mm-hmm. We have the Captain Colin Hines. We have Kamal Banki. We have Talia Suarez, who is one of our resident hosts for the Fame Frequency Party. And we also have Christopherson Nunez. So those are our 4 judges. You will do an elevator pitch style to them to sell them your idea. We will then choose the top 3. And the beauty about it is that the top 3, even if you are not the winner of the 100,000, you still get something. So second cash prize is 50,000. And the third place cash prize is 20,000. So there's still something in it for the top 3 winners.
But second and third, their pitch would not be chosen.
No,
okay,
not so at this time.
It's just the winner.
Just the winner's pitch will be executed virtually.
All right. Finally, from me, how long will this virtual party series continue?
Well, listen, we get feedback every week that there is no way Smirnoff and Fame can stop this party. I mean, everybody is excited about this platform every week. So at this point, I would say that we're doing this for as long as we can, because it's a great platform to keep persons engaged. It's great content. I mean, we are naturally social beings. So to give persons an opportunity to still have fun in a safe way. And obviously, if you're home and you're partying with us, we encourage you to drink responsibly. You know, you still have your water in between having alcohol, because we're very big on responsible drinking. And we're doing so in a very safe manner, because you're doing this in the safety of your home.
And especially because we still have a 11 o'clock curfew. This party
Absolutely.
Goes, this party goes
and
on
this
till
party
midnight.
goes on till midnight every week.
Yep, I agree. It's always great to see you, my friend, and hopefully I'll see you face to face. Well, 6 feet, 6 feet apart pretty soon. Or hopefully by the time I see you, this all gone and we can get back to hugging up each other and all kind of stuff. Good to see you. Great to see you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, man, and enjoy the weekend and enjoy the party, all right?
And tune into Fame Party Series tomorrow. I mean, it's Saturday at 9 p.m. and every week you will see information about this competition. So watch us on RETV and TVJ on Saturdays. And it starts at 9 p.m. on RETV and Fame as well.
All right, my friend. God bless. Rashima
Thank
Kelly,
you. Bye-bye.
Junior Brand Manager at Smirnoff. All right, we're going to take a break and then we're going to show you some tips on how to make the best tasting jerk dish after the break. I go into that. We don't need anybody to tell us how to do it. We'll soon come.